Hi everyone, it's been a while since I've done one of these videos, but I have a haul video. And this is from a store in St. Paul. It's called Wet Paint. And I learned about this art store from Marty Owings. He is here on YouTube, and his channel is called Owings Art. And I will put a link down below of his channel. He has a great channel and you might want to check it out. It's about painting, and he does some product reviews, some art product reviews and things like that. So I finally made it to Wet Paint. I've known about this store for a while, but I had a wedding to go to this weekend, and it happened to be in St. Paul, and that's where the art store is, in St. Paul. So I did go there, and I got some fun goodies, and I'll show you what I got. And I'll start with this. This is a watercolor book, or like a sketchbook type. And I'll open it up here, and I have no idea how to pronounce this name right here. But it had a little rooster. So I picked this. And yeah, I can do some watercoloring in it. Or let's get this little band here. Or I can draw on it. I can do whatever I want in it. And there it is, and it's good. This is like a medium weight watercolor paper. So it's not too thin and it's not too thick. And it's just a nice little sketchbook. So I got that. And then I got these cute composition books, but these are a little bit different. These are called Decomposition Books because they're made from 100% post-consumer waste recycled pages. So I thought that was neat. And this one has sloths on it, so that's why I picked this one. There's a whole bunch, and they all had different covers. But it's just, you know, your basic composition book. And it is a stitched binding, and it has some little fun drawings on the back cover and the front cover. So I just thought that was cute. I figured I could use this like an art journal or something like that. And then I also wanted to get this one because this is spiral bound, and this one has dogs on it. And again, it's a decomposition book, 100% post-consumer waste recycled pages. And they are made in the USA. And again, it has some artwork on the front cover and the back cover. And Wet Paint. And these are $8 each. I forgot to mention the price. But I thought this was neat. And I love these little dogs on there. So again, I can use that like as an art journal or just to write in. And then I did pick up a Micron pen. This is a 5 point. And I thought that would, yeah, it writes really nice. CraftyLori. Yeah, I've always wanted one of these, so I got one of these, and this was like $2.89. And then I got some pan pastels because I love the pan pastels. So I got, this is burnt sienna. Yep, burnt sienna. So I wanted to get that. And then this one was a magenta. So I wanted to get a nice bright pink. And what's great about their pan pastels is they are very reasonably priced. These are the cheapest I have found them in a store. And they were $5.94 each. And they did have quite a few colors. And if you don't find the color, all you have to tell them is what color you want, and they will get it in for you. So that's nice. So that is my haul from Wet Paint in St. Paul. I got the pan pastels, the Micron pen, black, number 5 nib, the watercolor book, again with all these pages that I can do what I want in it, and the decomposition books, the dog one and the sloth one. And I want to thank Marty from Owings Art for letting me know about this store. I had fun shopping, and they had many, many things. And oh, they have so much paint. I will go again because I want to get some paints, but I want to go to Marty's channel to see what his reviews are on some of the paints that they have. So, if you're new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. Just click on my profile or my little icon right there, my avatar at the end of this video, and then click that notification bell. So thanks for watching. Bye.